This is what a young coconut looks like. You have this long branch here, part of the branch. This is what it looks like. It's a green young coconut, and I've been chomping away at this. So now what you're gonna do to get the jelly, you see, oh my god, I can feel it. It is so soft. What I want to do is do a salad with this. Yeah, I think I got dangerous. You see the jelly? This is what a young coconut looks like, and it's so soft. It's so soft and it's so sweet. So you go to the market and you see these young coconuts. Don't be scared. Get one of these, sharpen it really well, and you start chomping away around this area here. You get the juice out, you chop it open, and you have your beautiful fresh jelly. So we're gonna do a salad with this today. All right, guys? So now let's do this salad. It's very refreshing. It is raw. It's all raw actually. So I have my fennel here, which I love. I'm gonna chop this open. I have some diced orange and yellow bell peppers. I have my lime. I have jalapeno, avocado, and an orange. So now let's get this together. You can also use tangerines. Tangerines are now in season, so you can use tangerine instead of the orange. So let's cut up our fennel first. So I'm going to slice this in the middle. I'm only going to use about half of this. So you see this here, this little stemmy thing here, you take this out. It's a little triangular thing here. You take this out. I usually chop this. You can put this in soups. It's very flavorful. And what I like to do, I like to shave this off here. It's a bit tough. My vegetable peeler. Hold this down like this and you start slicing it like that. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do is our avocado. I washed it, but let me remove this here. So you cut open your avocado, you twist it, right? Beautiful avocado. And then you do this and you twist it to remove the seed. I want to show you how I'm going to do the orange. Gonna cut off and then I slice it like this. That's what you do. Very easy. So you slice it through and you get these little wedges like this. Get rid of the seed, and this is all you do. This orange is very juicy. I prefer doing this with the tangerines because it's not so juicy. And I'm chopping up my fennel. I'm gonna dice the fennel. You could leave it like this if you like, but today I'm going to dice it up. Gonna open up my jalapeno. Gonna slice it like this. Sit up as well. I love this knife here. Alright, so we have our jalapeno. I'm gonna do half of this. And the avocado, I'm gonna slice it and peel this off like this. Very easy. You peel it off. And this is gonna be chunkier, like 3 pieces like that. Oranges, wedges, and my bell peppers. I'm going to put my avocado, my fennel, and jalapeno. So I'm cutting my lime. I'm pressing on it a little bit to try to stimulate the juices out of it. And I have some cilantro here, lots of cilantro that I'm going to chop up to add this to my bowl here. You see how easily it comes out because it is a young coconut and it's still soft. It's not mature. You see? I'm gonna scrape out this other side. See, this is what it looks like, the coconut jelly. I don't know if some of you have done this before. I know the Caribbean people who watch my channel, I know you have done this. And maybe where you live in North America, you don't have access to young coconuts like this. But in your travels, if you see one of those things, don't get scared and like, what is this? It's a coconut. Because you don't see, the coconuts that you see in the supermarket does not look like that. What you see is this part here, which gets brown and hard when it matures. So this is what we call the husk. The husk is pulled off the coconut like this. You see? And this is what you see in the supermarket, the hard brown part to this. But this is the covering. This is what a coconut looks like. Okay? So this is my coconut jelly here. I'm going to chop it up just a little bit, not much. And put it in my bowl here. It's soft and it's just sweet and delicious. So this is our coconut, and then I'm going to squeeze some lime on this. This is so delicious, guys, so delicious. You have the sweet from the orange, from the coconut as well. Then you have the tanginess from the lime juice, and the avocado, just sweet and soft and creamy. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on this. Gonna mix this up. You can add some red bell pepper as well, just to get a little bit more color in there. But I like the green with the orange and the yellow. So do this, guys. This is a perfectly great summer dish. Refreshing, nutritious. You get all of your minerals and vitamins, like boom, right there. Easy to digest. So this is another one of my raw dishes, guys. I hope you do it and I hope you enjoy it. It is so delicious. So take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends and family. See you in the next video.